So to make chicken parmesan, the first part you'll have to do is gather all the materials and ingredients that you'll need. And that will be chicken, flour, 3 eggs, some pepper, basil, parmesan, milk, and breadcrumbs. And before you start any of it, you should wash your hands for germs. And what I like to do before is cut the chicken in half. So after doing that, you want to pour some flour into a bowl. And that's just what the first bowl is going to be. And then the second bowl, you want 3 eggs, pepper, and a splash of milk. And this is where you take the fork and you start mixing it all together. And in the third bowl, you put in some breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and if you would like, some basil. And then you're going to mix this together too. After breading the chicken, you want to pour some oil in a pan on the stove just to submerge the chicken. And once you finish pouring it in, you want to bring it to medium. And then afterwards, I've already poured the sauce into the pans just to save time. But when you pour the sauce in, you want to just spread it out across the bottom of the pan. After you do that, you want to get a pot, and you can fill that with water to start boiling for spaghetti if you want some spaghetti with the chicken parmesan. To see if the oil is finished, or is boiling, I mean, you can take some water on your finger and put like a drop into the oil, and when it starts popping like that, you can tell that the oil is ready. You also have to be very careful with cooking with oil because it will splatter if it gets too hot, and it can burn you. So when it's ready, you can take some tongs and carefully put the chicken into the oil. When the chicken is turning golden brown on the side, you want to start by gently flipping it and it generally takes about 2 minutes on each side. And in the meantime, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, which I've already done so. After you take the chicken out of the oil, you can start putting them into the sauce-coated pans. And on top of the chicken, you want to put some sauce. And then some mozzarella. After you put the sauce and the cheese on top of the chicken parmesan, it's ready to be put into the oven. It'll normally bake about 30 minutes.